Welcome to Asim Code. Please subscribe to our channel and like our videos. In this video we write a Python script that can solve algebraic equations using the sympy library, which is a powerful Python library for symbolic mathematics. Pass the input string as a symbolic expression and rewrite it into an equation form. Solve the equation for the given variable. Define the variables in your equation. Input your algebraic equation as a string. Solve the equation. Output the solutions. Now run our code. To keep on learning, please subscribe to Asim Code and keep supporting, and thank you for watching.